Hi guys, this is just a very quick review on the NGT hook clamp. Let's have a look at it. Well, for £8, this is a fantastic little bit of kit. You can see here that it's quite a simple bit of kit. It does exactly what it needs to. Obviously open this screw clamp here, pop in your hook, tighten it up and start sharpening. What I do is, once I've put my hook in there, I use these nail clippers that I use for cutting my mono and braid. All I do is open that up, pop it in there and just really tighten it up, and your hook won't move anywhere. Okay, so all it is, it's two parts. This is obviously the gnarled bit there, gives you grip for when you're holding it. That's really lightweight. It's feels like some kind of alloy, but you know, it's not going to break or anything. It's adequate. It's good. Then obviously the head there just fits in and screws in. And you can see there yourself, that's the actual clamp. And that screw there feels very sturdy and adequate. So yeah, for £8, compared to some that are on the market for sort of 25-30, it's well, for me it's an invaluable piece of kit. Couldn't do without it now. And it is quite light, guys, simply because this bit here is like an alloy metal or a composite. And yeah, that's about it, guys. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please subscribe and don't forget to turn on the little notification bell to get updates. Thanks a lot.